All right, so we got this bash bar a little bit ago, True Focus Fab. I just was super excited to throw it on, so I kind of ripped the bumper off, got it all ready to go. I just wanted to show what it looks like with no bash bar on it at all, but I'm gonna mount this other one on, and I'm gonna try to notch something to feed this through the bumper. All right, here it is with the bash bar installed. I just gotta mock it up, see where this kind of lines up at, or where this comes through at. I guess it kind of, looking at the bumper line, it might have to kind of poke through here, but we'll see, I guess, because it kind of sticks out a little bit. But this is cool. I couldn't see that when it was all wrapped up. You got one, you know. Look at that. I just want to know if the front bumper is digging into the ground. That gets me all the room if I wanted to change the wheels. All right, y'all. We just did an oil change. We just got the rear bash bar on, as you saw. And we threw in the welded diff. It was a good day. Getting this thing ready for next weekend for the drift event. Same place, man. See you there, man. We're gonna see you there, man. Anyway, though, I did want to show you just the kind of final fit and whatever of this. Rear bumper's back in, taillight's back in. Now we're looking at this. My factory bumper chopped up to fit this, but look at that. Could it get any better, folks? I'm gonna probably get some weather stripping stuff and kind of outline the hole here and just make it a little bit prettier. But I mean, that's as tight clearance as we can get with this bolt that it came with. Shout out True Focus Fab. They sent me some fruit snacks in the bash bar. But yeah, cheers, folks.